This is not a traffic stop, bro. I'm finna have y'all job. You understand? I'm finna have y'all job, bro.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Now bear with me on this. I know this is gonna look like a little bit of a breakdown, and it is, but it's like a hybrid breakdown patrol vlog, because what we're gonna do is watch the TikTok from this fun young gentleman and find out why he's gonna have our jobs. And then I'm gonna show you the body cam footage from the officer who was dealing with them, so you can see the true side of what he had to say before he started filming his own version and put out there to the world. And to top it all off, hang into the end of the video, because I have a third and final TikTok from him after this whole thing unfolded that is pretty rewarding if you ask me. Also, for everyone who commented and liked the last patrol vlog, thank you so much. I am so happy to have those back, and fear not, I actually have a pile of videos sitting right here that I am working on, and another full patrol vlog is gonna be coming out next video right after this one. So let's get into this breakdown. All right, now for a little context to this situation, the officers were actually pulling into the gas station behind this gentleman who you're gonna see here in a second. And one of those officers is, you know, kind of big on traffic violations and motorcycles and stuff like that. And he observed a violation on that motorcycle. He didn't pull the guy over with lights and sirens or anything crazy. They pulled into 7-Eleven and he walked over just to actually tell the guy about the tag. He had no intention of writing him a ticket. He had no intention of enforcing anything. It was literally gonna just be a, hey, FYI, you need to flip this tag the other way, okay? And before he could even get to that point, he was met with what you're about to see. So I'm gonna pass it off to you guys. I'm gonna let you watch this video. I thought about doing commentary over it, but I know some people don't like that. So I'm gonna let it play out. And here's what I'm gonna ask you now. Pay attention to this video. I want you to watch his TikToks, and then I want you to watch the body cam footage, and I want you to see the utter hypocrisy in it. His version that he puts out to his followers and what he says he didn't ask for, and then you watch the body cam footage and there's a completely different story. So let's play a game. I want you guys to watch both these videos, and I want you to pick out how many times this guy contradicts himself in his own videos, in his own words, and leave them in the comments below, and let's see what we all come up with. Let's turn this into a game and see how many times this guy contradicts himself in his own words on video. I'm gonna give you one other thing I'll talk about more at the end, but watch these videos and know this guy actually filed a formal internal affairs complaint against these officers. I wanna know what you guys think about that once this video is over. Was it justified? And I'll tell you what happened with that complaint.
Now these officers right here, right there, right here, then walked up to me and my wife while we had a gas tank talking about I'm in a traffic violation because of my tag. Because of my tag. Show me in the state laws where it say it had to be, no, this harassment. Where's your lights? Bro, y'all parked over there. This is not a traffic stop. Bro, I'm finna have y'all job. You understand? I'm finna have y'all job, bro. Once again, these officers came up to me and my wife, harassed us. Talking about this is a traffic stop at a gas pump when a car, undercover narcotics, is over there. How is this a traffic stop? How is this a traffic stop? Please explain to me how is this a traffic stop. What's your name, sir?
Detective A-M-A-Y.
Uh-huh. And what's your badge number?
8744.
Okay, what's your name, sir?
Sergeant Zara.
Okay, Sergeant Zara, you know who I am. What's your badge number?
36.
35. And what's your name, sir?
Detective Curtis.
What's your badge number?
7919.
Okay, good. Y'all see what he doing? He put down a computer for a traffic stop.
What you said?
Fuck out of here, man.
You asked to see
This is, nah, I ain't asked to say none. No, he offered that. I ain't asked to see shit. I ain't asked to see a goddamn thing. We just pulled up. We got a camera for the 7-Eleven. And boy, I can't. Y'all finna have y'all job.
Yeah, cameras right here.
Man, I'm finna have y'all job, bro.
Y'all thought I was somebody, and that's what it was.
Y'all thought I would sue the shit. I wish y'all would. Try me, man. Watch I sue the shit out of y'all, bro. I done sued y'all once already, so go ahead.
Can I get a word in edgeways or no?
Man, go suck a dick.
By state statute, your
By
floor...
state statute, you a goddamn lie. My tag is right there. It's noticeable.
It has to be vertical.
Bro, no it don't.
You want me to show you the statute?
Please show it to me.
Stand by.
Please show it to me.
Stand by.
It gotta be vertical my ass.
You want to stand by or no?
Man, I ain't gotta do shit. Show it to me.
I'm gonna go get it.
Okay, you still talking.
So are you.
You still talking. I got the right to. How much I know who my father is? I'm gonna tell y'all in a minute. Have all y'all bitches fired by the morning. Keep playing with me now. Y'all gonna find out who my father is real fast.
Your father is not relevant, sir.
I know that's right. Yo, what your job ain't gonna be relevant, you keep harassing me. Know that.
We're enforcing
I'm telling
traffic
you that.
laws.
I'm telling you that.
We don't have the right to enforce traffic
Oh,
laws?
yeah, I'm telling you, no, you don't.
Okay.
Put your lights on. Put your lights on and tell me that I'm in the wrong and write a ticket. That's what you do.
You pulled up here.
Man, you pulled behind me. You was behind me the whole time. What is you talking about, man? I got cameras, bro. You tripping.
You mean to tell me we can't stop you unless we...
Bro, it ain't no traffic stop. Tell me when you stop me. Where your lights at? Where your lights at to tell me you did a traffic stop to stop me? To have them walk up to me and harass me and my wife. Tell me where the traffic stop was at.
The traffic stop was me walking
Man,
up to
tell
you.
me what the traffic... No, there ain't no traffic stop. Yo, lights, you gotta turn your lights on for a traffic
You got a lot of anger
stop.
problems.
Man, I ain't got shit. You tell me what a traffic stop is.
He always this angry?
You tell me what a traffic stop is. And I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna be wrong, nah?
It was me coming
Hey,
up to
listen,
you.
bro, I'm finna file a complaint right here in a minute.
Okay.
That's crazy. Tell me what a traffic stop is. Tell me what a traffic stop is. Ain't no traffic stop. Y'all walked up out of nowhere. I've been recording the whole time. Y'all walked up out of nowhere and talking about, oh, I was in a traffic violation. That's not a traffic stop, bro. That's harassment is what it is.
Would it made you feel better if I put my lights
It
on?
made me feel better. Suck my dick, bro.
Oh, that's not nice. Let me get to the traffic violations.
Write your ticket, dog.
I'm not writing the ticket.
I'm going to jail. I'm under arrest. I'm being detained.
You've been detained.
Okay, for what crime you expected I've been detained by? Hold on. Let me show my camera. What crime you expected for me to be committed for you to detain me?
A civil traffic stop.
That's not being detained.
That is being detained. If
Where's
I
your lights at?
Don't have to have lights.
Man, bro, listen. You're right. You ain't gotta have lights. Make sure I get all this. Got my camera right here.
Okay.
So I can watch this officer walking up behind me. Run them. On everything legit about me, pussy. Everything legit.
1020 key rate code 4.
Everything legit.
There we go. Where is my traffic?
Now these officers, right here, right there, right here, they walked up to me and my wife. While we had a gas tank talking about I'm in a traffic violation because of my tag. Because of my tag. Show me in the state laws where it say it had to be. No, this harassment. Where's the light? Bro, y'all parked over there. This is not a traffic stop. Bro, I'm finna have y'all job. You on this? I'm finna have y'all job, bro.
We're not yelling at you.
Juanito. ADR, bro, come up here right now to the gas station, bro. This 7-Eleven, my nigga.
If somebody comes up here and causes a problem, you're gonna get them in trouble.
On Court Street. He a lawyer, you need to mind your motherfucking business. On Drew, this 7-Eleven right before you get to the beach, bro, on the left-hand side. ADR. Now, we gonna see what time it is my lawyer get here.
No.
Once again, these officers came up to me and my wife harassed us.
All right.
Talking about this is a traffic stop at a gas pump when a car, undercover narcotics, is over there. How is this a traffic stop?
I don't
How
know.
is this a traffic stop? Please explain to
You
me
can run that
how
while
is this
I
a
do
traffic
this.
stop? What's your name, sir? And what's your badge number? Okay, what's your name, sir?
Sergeant Zara,
Okay, Sergeant there, you know who I am. What's your badge number?
36.
35. And what's your name, sir?
Detective Curtis,
What's your badge number?
7919.
Okay, good. Y'all see what he doing? He put down a computer for a traffic stop. Fuck out of here, man.
You asked to see the
This,
staff.
no, I ain't actually say no. No, he offered that. I ain't actually see shit. I ain't actually see a goddamn thing. We just pulled up. We got a camera for the 7-Eleven. I can't. Y'all for the hell y'all job. Man, I'm for the hell y'all job, bro. I'm for the hell y'all job. Watch this.
All right, you ready?
Oh, and then they had 2 other officers come up and then they gonna flag them off. I don't need to show you. You need to show it to my lawyer.
Okay. You want the
Show it
statute?
to my lawyer. Show it to my lawyer.
You want the statute?
Show it to my lawyer. Write your ticket, bro.
You want
Write your ticket. Write your ticket so I can get on about my business. Write your ticket. I don't need to see nothing.
Florida statute,
Bro,
316,
it's COVID. Back up.
2085.
It's COVID. You need to stay 6 foot, bro.
316, 2085.
Yeah, you ain't got no mask on. It's COVID-19 out here, and you walking up on me, bro. You need to stay 6 feet
The
away
license
from me.
tag of a motorcycle must be affixed horizontally to
Nah,
the ground.
It ain't gotta be.
So do the
It's
numbers.
horizontal to the ground, right? That's horizontal. That's horizontal, man. That is horizontal. You don't even know what fucking horizontal is, bruh.
That's vertical.
Don't worry about it. Look it up. It's in the computer,
We
bro.
are. It says it's white. This is black. That's why I'm asking you to back it
Man,
up.
look it up in the computer.
That's vertical. That is horizontal.
No, that is not, bro.
Okay.
No, it's not.
The last 4 of the
Nah.
last 4 of the
Can I just write him a ticket?
yes.
Yeah, please write me a ticket.
428.
And watch how I beat it.
C31.
Back up, sir. You need to back the fuck
You're not
up.
going to walk up on my sergeant. Roll.
Man, watch you and your side go suck a dick, fat boy. Do it, right? I know you covered, but you can't say nothing without that badge. I promise you that, bro. You can't say nothing without that badge, bro. I ain't taking shit personal. This Horizon, thank you. That's another lawyer right there being recorded talking about this is a traffic stop. This ain't no fucking traffic stop.
Hey.
That Horizon me, bro, talking about a traffic
Giving him a
stop.
warning. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm telling
Getting a
you.
warning.
He said, man, suck my dick,
316,
bro.
2085.
No.
Going
Bro,
to the
he's
computer.
talking about this is a traffic stop. You said you was going to write me a ticket.
Getting a warning.
No,
Going
get
to
the fuck
computer.
on. Back
Going
up,
to
it's
computer.
COVID.
Going-
6
back up,
feet.
back up, back
6
off
feet.
me.
Back the
Back
fuck
off me.
up.
Back up.
Back the fuck
Back
up,
up.
nigga.
Back up.
Man, go suck a dick. Nah, I got it. Listen, I promise y'all. You want to see you. Y'all
316.
be on the news in the morning, boy.
316, 2085.
Yeah, I know.
Thank you.
I know them tight ass jeans on. Where's your ticket? Where's your ticket? That's illegal stop.
I gave you a
That is-
warning.
Yeah, I got you. Don't you
I
worry
gave you a
about it.
warning.
Have a good day.
Give you a warning.
Have a good day. You little dick bitch. You little dick bitch. Now, please be a witness. You can't do shit to me. I'm the shit, bitch. You fucking faggot.
April 1980.
Suck my dick, ho. I got plenty of witnesses. Oh, now y'all want to put on y'all non-asking. Riding around the uncovered cars talking about traffic stop. Fuck out of here. Believe it, karma bitch. Karma bitch, I give you a year, you ain't gonna have that
Enforcement today. Let's
job.
get a coffee.
Put a mask on.
I give you a year.
Okay, so now that you've watched both sides of those videos, I'm going to play his final TikTok, which is related to this overall event, and I want you to tell me what you think after you watch this. Here you go.
Hey, happy Valentine's Day to all my good supporters out there. I just want to clear something up again. The comment section is ridiculous, man. Y'all need to grow up. Y'all need to grow up, man. What is we out here protesting about? What is we out here fighting about, marching about? My whole point. There's more racism going on inside the comment section than it is out here in these streets. And that's crazy to me. That's crazy. But of course it never happened to you before. Even if I was dead to the wrong about my tag, it don't take a rocket science to figure out what's going on in that video. It do not. So for y'all to jump on my page and want to comment, misery loves company.
All right, so I don't know about you, but that's sweet justice to me. You literally got clowned so hard in your own comment section from your own people that you had to make this video trying to explain and excuse what happened. Again, me personally, it doesn't get any better than that. You got owned in your own comments to the point you had to almost make like an apology video, even though it wasn't an apology video. So there alone, I feel pretty satisfied about this situation, but I wanted to get the rest of this out to you so the general public can see both sides of it, to see what we're faced with on a daily basis, just trying to do our job. And like this officer said, he had no intention ever of writing this guy a ticket. It was purely an educational conversation. The fact that he just needed to flip his tag 180 degrees the other way so it read from the bottom up. Plain and simple, nothing more. And this guy turned this situation into that. And you want to know the other thing about this that the public forgets and doesn't think about? And for all of you who are interested in law enforcement that follow my channel, something you have to remember if you want to get into this job, as much as that guy was an asshole, and probably the majority of people would have an FU mentality to that guy, if he calls 911 tomorrow, we are going to his house and we are going to help him and do everything we can do within our power if he needs us. That's the thing about this job. We don't take it personal. We don't hold grudges. We are not allowed to. So we get to take that abuse, that talking to, and even 5 minutes later, if he called and needed the police, we would respond and we would help him. Now, like I said before, this guy actually filed a formal internal affairs complaint and claimed that he was profiled and harassed by these officers. He claimed that they never made a traffic stop on him, all the things that you heard him talk about in the video, which are all completely false. He originally said in the complaint that the officers just walked up to him, saw him at the pumps, walked up to him, and therefore they were just profiling him because he was a black man on a sport bike. So they actually went back and pulled the video from 7-Eleven, and it shows the officers pulling in behind him, which, if you remember from the videos on the body cam, he even admits on camera that the officers followed in behind him. These people just give their version that makes them feel like or seem like they're in the right and the police just came down on him. And the best part of all of this is that final TikTok that this guy had to put out, basically because he got roasted so hard in his own comments by his own people that he was in the wrong. And then all of a sudden there's this nice calm TikTok of like, oh, yo, what are we protesting for? What are this? Because they were slamming him in the comments. So for me, that's sweet justice right there. You almost can't get any better of a punishment than to have your own peers roast you when you thought you were being a badass. How many times do you say he's going to have our jobs, asking for badge numbers, all the things we hear all the time. It just sounds ridiculous. You're not going to do anything with that information. You're not going to sue anybody. You're not going to have anybody's job at the end of the day. You just want to sound like a TikTok tough guy on the internet, and at the end of the day, you got clowned by everybody online. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was educational to some degree. If it was, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button. It helps push these videos further so other people can see this content and learn from it. And one of the biggest things you could do for me is share it. Share it with friends, share it with family, somebody that you think would benefit from seeing this kind of material. Now, like I said at the beginning of the video, the next one is going to be a patrol vlog. I am in the middle of editing it, so bear with me on that, but they are coming. I also have other video requests that I have made, so hopefully we get this thing on track and flowing and we just start getting, I'm hoping for weekly uploads, but I don't want to get you guys' hopes up too much. Definitely bi-weekly or something like that. I'm trying to build up a video footage bank right now so I can keep those editing and keep them coming out. All right, everyone, as always, thank you so much for your support. And until the next video, you guys take really good care of yourselves and stay safe out there.